The word on serves as a versatile preposition in English, weaving through various expressions that convey continuation, dependence, connection, control, and progress. Understanding its multifaceted nature can enhance both comprehension and communication. To begin with, on signifies continuation and persistence. Phrases like move on encourage individuals to advance beyond obstacles, while keep on emphasizes the importance of persistence in pursuits. Even in a more sarcastic context, dream on suggests an unrealistic hope, showcasing the word's ability to capture nuances in tone. In terms of dependence and support, on plays a crucial role. When we say count on someone, it reflects trust and reliance, a sentiment echoed in depend on. The phrase bank on further illustrates this trust, emphasizing a belief in the reliability of outcomes. These expressions highlight how on connects us to others and our expectations. Additionally, on facilitates connections and activation. For instance, turn on indicates the act of activating devices, while log on pertains to accessing digital platforms. Hold on, often used to ask for patience, underscores the importance of maintaining a connection, whether physically or emotionally. Moreover, on denotes control and influence. Hold down suggests keeping something stable, while push on embodies determination in the face of challenges. Go on encourages continuation, reinforcing the idea of moving forward. Finally, on signifies progress and direction. Phrases like carry on and press on inspire perseverance, while take on denotes the acceptance of challenges. By recognizing these patterns, one can navigate the complexities of English more effectively, making the use of on not just a grammatical choice, but a means of expressing deeper connections and aspirations.